guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today the first tutorial in the AutoCAD program. First we will know how to install AutoCAD as a free version for 3 years from Autodesk site. But before we know how to download the AutoCAD program and how to use it, we must know what is the AutoCAD program.
But before beginning, please don't forget like, subscribe, comment and share, and let's start.
AutoCAD is the most famous engineering program. It can convert the ideas of design from just idea in engineering mind, through which they can apply all their ideas in AutoCAD program. For example, maybe you put a villa and you want to design it. You can design it by using AutoCAD program. And you can also put a plan in AutoCAD program to build all that you want. Okay, AutoCAD is divided into 2 parts, 2D and 3D. But I wouldn't recommend anyone to use 3D on AutoCAD because its capabilities are limited. As for 3D Max, Revit and SketchUp, they are the best 3D programs. But for 2D, AutoCAD is the best. Okay. Now we know what is the AutoCAD program. Let's know how to download it. Okay, we go to Google and write Autodesk. So it will appear to us Autodesk student. We will go to that page. After that we will click on the first result from the search. Then we click on the free software. After that we will click on the AutoCAD. Okay, it asks us for enter our account or create account, but I have already an account, so I will sign in. Well, I am signed in. Now we have to choose the version. I am going to choose 21. And now I am going to click on 64 bytes and choose English language. Okay, this is a product key and serial number. We must save them. Okay, now we go under and click on install. Then we click on I agree and next. Now I click on downloading now. Okay, now this is the icon of downloading. Let's open it. Okay, now it opened. So it wants to know where you will download it. Basically, I will leave it as it. Now my laptop is reading the files from the program. I will click on install. Okay, now AutoCAD is loading. After that, I will choose my country. It wants to know again where to download, but I will leave it as it. Now I will click on install and leave it to download. Now it downloaded, so I will open it. Okay, this is the shape of the program when we open it for the first time. Now we are on the working page, and this will be the place where the work starts. And this is the learn page that has educational videos on AutoCAD. Okay, we go back to create page and click on start drawing. Okay, now this is the page that we will draw in, or the workspace. Before anything, we have to adjust the program setting. We will go to options and write from the keyboard OP, or we can go to file and go down. Okay, we will find out the option menu. Now options menu opened. Now we will go to display menu, and here are the colors of the program. Basically, I will choose the black color. Okay, now we will go to the open and save menu. This is the place where we adjust the automatic save. To show you how it used, for example, if the light is cut off and you are working on a big project, what you will do? That Autodesk made the automatic save to save your project. Now I will show you a very useful order that you can save your time by using the right click of the mouse. We will click on user preference. After that we will click on double click. Then I click on shortcuts menu. Okay, this icon will enlighten, so I will click on it. And I will do all the options, repeat the last command. After that, I will click on enter and click on apply and close. Now I will show you how to capitalize this option to facilitate our working in AutoCAD. For example, we want to draw a line. we will type L enter from the keyboard. Okay, now we will draw a line. If it is an line, we can type F8 from the keyboard to be straight line. Okay, if we want to draw another line without using the keyboard, we can click from the mouse, right click, to repeat the last command. Now we can draw a line. Okay, it's drawing. Okay, if you want to exit the command, we can click from the mouse, left click to exit the command. Okay, now I will write from the keyboard UN and click on units. After that, I'll make it decimal and this 0.0. Okay, this will be meter. Okay, this was today's episode. If you like it, don't forget like, subscribe, comment and share, and goodbye.